you'll see for yourself soon. Run!
What up, everybody? New episode. It's your boy. You know what I mean? I say that every time. But anyways, we got a new part in from Whooshmotorsports. What up, Ron? This is not a sponsored video, just to let you guys know. I bought this from him. It's an induction hose for the Fiesta. Get it open. There we go. Oh, this is my favorite part. Always getting the stickers. This is my favorite part. He didn't give me a red one though. He got me a black one. I don't want it red, but it's okay.
Cry about it.
Yeah, get to put this on today. We got a bunch of stuff to do today, but I think we're gonna split it up into two parts on the video. We're gonna install this today. We got to put the blow-off valve adapter on. I gotta try to figure out how to get the screws off of that because I had a hard time last time. I'm trying to take the charge pipe off to get to it instead of going in the wheel well. And then we have to re-vinyl the trunk. That's the favorite part that we're gonna do about this video because that's what I'm trying to base my whole brand off of is vinyling. So, but I am building this car in the process of learning how to vinyl better and starting my business. So,
you ready to go? We'll vinyl the car?
2 hours later.
Nope.
we're not alone?
No.
Okay.
Take 3.
Let's take 14 anyways.
Take 14 of trying to wrap your car.
Well, we failed epically at that. I'm still learning, and I attacked the hatch of the car pretty wrong and failed. You know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna leave it white, and then we'll re-attack it another day. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to put the induction hose on the car that I got from Whooshmotorsports, and it shouldn't take us too long at all. It's pretty simple, and then once we do that, we'll go ahead and test how it sounds with the car being at stage 2. Let's get it.
You can't even open it. Struggling?
This thing's pretty. Look at that. Oh,
Whoosh.
it goes right there like this. Pretty like that. Guys, come here. Get over here. Think that's how it goes. I might have put it in too far. I might need to bring it out a little bit. We'll see. What we're gonna do right here is just pull this up. Beat. Pinches. Wiggle off like that. You see that? You just gotta take this right here, grab it. Okay? That's how every mechanic like this country, like on YouTube, you gotta grab it like this and you gotta take it off, wiggle it off right now. Take her off like that. Oh shit, she's at. Don't get caught on that. Alright, there we go. And just to show y'all the size difference, they made her a hell of a lot bigger. Open. See that? Going like this, like where it can't breathe. Like that. You open her up. Like.
Too puppy.
There we go. I need a so. Get her bend in there like a diamond. You know what I gotta do? I gotta loosen this up. I like making random noises in the middle of the night.
The sprinklers, babe. Chill.
Okay, for some reason it's not going. What's she going on there? This stays on here like that. When I gas is good. Charge air temperature is good. Coolant's it's definitely sucking water. Like now it's only at 180. Usually, like if I hit it like that, it's around 190. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's whistling.
It sounds more open.
Yeah.